Hello friends, welcome to the Notice Study Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss about the parts of speech. This is a part 2. We already discussed the noun, pronoun, verb and adjective. In this video, we are going to discuss about the other parts of the speech. First one, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb, sometimes a whole sentence. It tells us how, when, where, how often, or to what extent something happens. Examples like she sings beautifully describes the verb sings. He is very tall. Here describing the adjective tall. The train moved quite slowly describes the adverb slowly. Next, functions of adverbs. It modify verbs, modify adjectives, and modify other adverbs also. Provides more information about time, place, manner, frequency, or about degree. Now discuss about the types of adverbs. There are 6 adverbs. First, adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, adverbs of reason. First one, adverbs of manner means how. These tell us how an action is done. Usually, it is end by ly. Examples like quickly, slowly, carefully, happily, loudly, bravely, politely, like this. In sentences, she completed the work carefully. He answered politely. The baby slept peacefully. They fought bravely, like this. Next, adverbs of time. Time, when. Tell us when something happens. Examples today, yesterday, tomorrow, soon, later, now, recently, already, finally. In sentences, we use like I will call you tomorrow. She arrived early. We met yesterday. He has already finished. Okay, next move into the next adverb. Adverbs of place. It tells us about where something happens, where the action is happened. Questions like where. Examples here, there, everywhere, outside, inside, upstairs, nearby, abroad. In sentences we use the children are playing outside. He looked everywhere. She lives nearby. Come here. Like this, we use adverbs of place in sentences. Next one, adverbs of frequency. It shows how often something happens. It's questions about how often. Examples often, sometimes, rarely, seldom, never, daily, weekly, always, usually. In sentences, we use like she always wakes up early. I sometimes watch television. She always studies hard. They never tell lies. We visit our grandparents weekly. Frequency order like I always, usually, often, sometimes. Next one, adverbs of degree. It shows the intensity or degree of an action, adjective, or another adverbs. Examples like very, too, quite, enough, almost, nearly, extremely, completely, rather. In sentence examples, the movie was very interesting. She is very intelligent. The water is too hot. I am quite happy. He is extremely tired. Next. Adverbs of reason. It tells the reason for an action. Examples therefore, hence, thus, consequently, accordingly. In sentences we use it was raining, therefore we stayed home. She worked hard, hence she succeeded. He missed the bus, therefore he was late. Like this we sentence using these adverbs. Okay, next we move into what is preposition. A preposition is a word used before a noun or pronoun to show its relationship with another word in the sentence. Preposition often indicate place, time, direction, cause, or possession. Examples like the book is on the table. Here, the word on is a preposition. Common prepositions. Some common prepositions are in, on, at, under, above, below, behind, beside, between, among, near, inside, outside. Examples in sentences like the keys are in the drawer, the picture is on the wall, the children are playing under the tree. The first types of prepositions are preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of direction, preposition of manner, preposition of agent, prepositions of measure. Preposition of time. These prepositions show time. Examples at, on, in, during, before, after, during, since, until. Examples, the meeting starts at 10 a.m. My birthday is on Monday. We go on vacation in December. Next type, prepositions of place. These show where something is. Examples like between, among, near, inside, outside, under, above, below, behind. Examples in sentences, the cat is under the table, she is in the room, the picture is on the wall, the children is playing under the tree, like this. Next, preposition of direction. They show movement from one place to another. Examples, she walked into the room, they drove across the bridge, he came from the market, the dog ran across the road. Next one, preposition of manner. This describes the way how something is done. Examples, he solved the problem with ease. The letter was written by him. She cut the vegetables with scissors. We communicated through email. He travels by bus. These are prepositions of manner. Preposition of cause or reason. These explain why something happens. Common prepositions are because of, due to, owing to, from. Examples, the match was cancelled because of rain. He succeeded due to work. She was absent due to illness. This gift for my brother. Next one, preposition of position. These show ownership or relationship. Common ones are of, with, to. Examples, this is the house of my uncle. She is a friend of mine. The girl with the blue bag is my sister. Next one, preposition phrases. A preposition and a noun or a pronoun together form a phrase. Examples, in the morning, under the table, at the situation, at the station. Example sentences like the cat slept under the table. Next one, what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word used to join words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Examples, and, but, or, because, also. In example sentences, I wanted to go outside but it was raining. Study hard or you may fail. Ria and Priya are friends. Types of conjunctions. There are three types of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunction. Let's discuss one by one. Coordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions join words, phrases, or independent clauses of equal importance. The seven coordinating conjunctions can be remembered by the acronym fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, at, so. Examples like she likes tea and coffee. I was tired but I finished my work. Hurry up or you will miss the bus. It was raining so we stayed indoors. Next one, subordinating conjunction. These join a dependent subordinate clause to an independent main clause. Common subordinating conjunctions are because, although, since, if, when, while, before, after, unless, as. Examples like I stayed home because I was sick. Although it was cold, we went outside. Call me when you arrive. You cannot leave until the teacher permits you. Next one, correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions work in pairs to join words or group of words. Examples, either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also, whether or. Examples, either Ravi or Rani will help you. Neither the teacher nor the students were late. Either you study or you fail. She is not only intelligent but also hardworking. Both honesty and kindness are important. Next one, interjection. An interjection expresses strong emotion or sudden feeling. Examples like wow, oh, plus, hey. Examples, wow, that is amazing. Hooray, we won the match. Oops, I dropped my pen. Wow, your drawing is beautiful. Ah, the king is dead. Types of interjections. Interjections of joy, interjections of surprise, interjections of pain, interjection of sadness, interjections of greetings. Joy means hooray, hey, surprise, wow, whoa. Interjection of sorrow means alas, oh no. Interjection in pain. Ouch, that hurt. Oh, I burned my hand. Interjection of greeting. These are used to greet people like hello, hi, hey, good morning. Hello, how are you? Hi, welcome to our school. Interjections. These are express praise, approvals, or encouragement. Bravo, well done, excellent. These are interjection of approval. Okay, it's over. We already discussed the eight main parts of this speech. Each part of this has a different functions in a sentence. Understanding them improves writing and speaking skills. Thank you. If you like the videos, press like button and subscribe our channel for more videos.